In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the volume on the Waze app. If you've ever found yourself struggling to hear the navigation prompts while driving, or been startled by unexpectedly loud directions, then this guide is tailored just for you. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in managing the volume settings to suit your preferences. First, begin by opening the Waze app on your smartphone. This should only take a moment as most of us keep our favorite navigation apps readily accessible. Once you have the app running, your next step is to tap on the menu icon. This icon looks like three horizontal lines and is conveniently located at the top left corner of the screen. Now that you're in the menu, locate the settings. The settings option often hides behind a gear icon, so look for that familiar symbol as you scroll through the menu. Clicking on it will take you to a new page full of adjustable features that allow you to customize your Waze experience. On the settings page you'll see several options, but what we're interested in today is the voice and sound settings. Go ahead and tap on that option. This is where you'll find everything related to audio, including voice prompts and sound effects used during navigation. Here, under the guidance volume section, you'll find a slider or a similar control to adjust the volume to your liking. You can drag this slider to make the voice prompt softer or louder, depending on your situation. Remember, you want the guidance to be audible without being overpowering, especially if you're listening to music or a podcast while driving. It's worth mentioning that there's also another quick method to adjust the volume in real time while you're driving. Sometimes adjustments need to be made on the fly, and Waze allows for this. You can use your phone's physical volume buttons to tweak the guidance volume during your journey. When a navigation prompt is being spoken, simply press the volume up or down buttons on your phone to achieve the desired level. This should give you a seamless navigation experience with Waze, fitting perfectly into your existing setup while ensuring that you never miss an important turn or road instruction. Just remember that adjustments made with your phone's volume buttons will only affect Waze when it's actively giving directions, so it won't alter the volume of media playing on your device. And there you have it, a simple way to tailor the Waze app's volume settings to your preference, allowing for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Now that you've got the hang of it, you can adjust it anytime with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and happy navigating.